The Philippines is a Southeast Asian archipelago country. It is located in the western Pacific Ocean and is made up of approximately 7,640 islands, divided into three primary geographical divisions from north to south: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Apart from the beautiful places, there is something that can prove that the Philippines is one of the best countries in the world. The Filipinos. Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to this country of warm smiles and vivacious people.
Getting to know the Filipinos is easy enough. Although the Philippines have been colonized by several countries, many core values from its ancestors remain intact and still honored to this day. Filipinos are not perfect, but they have a great characteristics and qualities every one of us should be proud of.
The Filipinos are so outgoing by nature that making friends out of total strangers is simply being in character. Filipinos are known for being hospitable. In fact, they have this trait that they are always inviting guests to eat. Even if it's the first time a guest entered their homes, this is a mass-asked question. Kumain na ba kayo?
The Filipinos' attitude toward their tourists is certainly unique. Whenever a visitor stays in a Filipino home, there will be a feast or a huge celebration because it is a custom for them to prepare abundant Filipino cuisine for guests to experience their culture through food.
You see that? Filipinos are also very respectful. They have a culture of pagmamano, which is where they raise the back of the hands of their elders to their foreheads as a sign of respect. They also show their respect by using simple catchphrases like po and opo, words that end sentences when addressing elders. Filipinos also show courtesy by calling older persons ate or kuya, even if there's no blood relations between them.
Also, as we can see here, Filipinos help one another. More popularly known as bayanihan, Filipinos help one another without expecting anything in return, making their chores and responsibilities more easier to do. This is sometimes referred to as community spirit. Another habit which we can identify if that person is a Filipino is when he or she is eating rice thrice a day. Filipinos eat rice as a primary cuisine. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are all rice-based meals. Some people, on the other hand, prefer to eat with their hands rather than a fork and spoon.
And when in Philippines, eating alone is not a thing. Filipinos tend to eat together with their friends and loved ones while sharing funny stories with each other or simply storytelling about what happened to them all throughout the day. Cause in here, eating together is a form of bonding as we Filipinos loves to eat and sing. Filipinos loves to sing in karaoke whenever there is an event. And Philippines is also the land of amazing singers. That's why there is a joke phrase in the country whenever they hear a great singer.
Furthermore, Filipinos must constantly give something to their friends and loved ones, whether it's a keychain, a souvenir shirt, or cuisine from a destination they've recently visited. As a remembrance of one's local or international trip experience, this exceptional present is known as a pasalubong. Whether large or tiny, this goods serve as a reminder that the person who gave you a pasalubong thought of you despite your absence.
Filipinos are very resilient. In times of calamities and catastrophes, Filipinos also manage to rise above the challenge. Instead of wallowing, they manage to pick themselves up and smile. Filipinos are a happy people. Whether rain or shine, Filipinos know how to brighten up the day with a good joke. This has become such a custom that even in the face of depressing times when most other people might be dejected, these happy-go-lucky habits prevail. The philosophy of an average Filipino is to look at the bright side despite any obstacle. This is why they have stayed strong, why they don't let misfortunes bring them down. Their coping mechanism is definitely something else.
They find it hard, they smile, they succeed, they smile even more.
If they can find the bright side, they will make one. Being a Filipino means being part of a wonderful culture, and we should protect and preserve it because our culture is central to protecting our sense of who we are. It gives us an irrefutable connection to the past, to certain social values, beliefs, customs, and traditions that allows us to identify ourselves with others and deepen our sense of unity, belonging, and national pride.